Hey, if you want to measure the heart rate with the POCO X6 Pro, first you have to go to the settings, then scroll down until you locate the additional settings. Now you will have to go into the heart rate and then click to start. Now you have to place your finger into the sensor right here, and also we have to accept the permissions. So put right here and keep holding. We have to hold our finger for at least 15 seconds. And as you can see here, we can find the beat rate of our heart on the screen. So in my case, it's around 72. And that's the result with the date and the time. And then you can click done. And when you open it one more time, as you can see, you can do this one more time and perform this measurement one more time. So now it drops for around 68, 69. And it's also finished. Another result pops right here. And that's all. Right now, please subscribe to my channel and see you on the next one.